was literally my next question. I was going to ask, what do you think the Fed should be doing? So do you think they should be cutting sort of at the next meeting, or what are your thoughts on that?
I was never a big fan of the view that they would go as early as March. But again, taking a feather out of the historical record cap, the Fed usually starts to cut rates 10 months after the last rate hike. And the last rate hike was last July, I always thought May would be the month. I still think May. You could argue June or July. I'm not going to chase nickels under the steamroller because timing this thing is not easy to do. But the Fed will be cutting rates, and sometime in the spring or the summer. And the question will be the speed and the magnitude. I don't think that they will stop before getting to neutral. They have not changed the estimate of neutral. It's still 2.5%. So just to get to neutral, they'd have to cut rates almost 300 basis points. And the market's not even priced for that. And if we get a recession, it's going to be quite a bit more than that. Just remember the last 3 recessions, the funds rate got close to zero each time. And you can't rule that out. In a recession, the funds rate will come down a lot more. Soft landing, I think that they'll still come down between 200 and 300 basis points. So for me, this is like easy peasy. This is an easy call. They're not going to stop at 3 cuts. That's not going to happen. And then the question is going to be, how will the back end of the curve respond? How much will the curve steepen? And then to what extent will this breathe life back into the economy in 2025 and 2026?